Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Zoom Breakout Room Pre-Assign Participants feature. You have to access this through the Zoom desktop app. So you need to open up Chrome, go to zoom.us, and then sign in. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find a sign-in button if you're not already signed in. Once you're there, you'll be able to go into your account and you'll be able to see any meetings that you have. And you can see your upcoming meetings, but for this, we'll schedule a new meeting. And we'll give it a title of Sample Breakout Room Meeting. You can set the date and time. Let's make it for next Wednesday. I can make this a reoccurring meeting if I want to use this same breakout group configuration for multiple meetings. I can enable the join before host button if I want to. I can mute participants upon entry. This is where I would do breakout room pre-assign. I can also record the meeting automatically on my computer. And if I click that button, that means that it will automatically record the meeting and save the file after we've ended the meeting. For now, let's go to breakout room pre-assign. I have two choices here. I can either click create rooms and it will let me manually create my rooms one by one, typing in the names of students. So if I click on create rooms, then I click on the plus button for rooms. I can add how many of a rooms I need. And then in each room, I would type in the names of the participants by email. So for our students, by their 6-digit number at rvusd.org. If I want to add students to different breakout rooms, I'd go to the different numbered breakout rooms. I can also import it from a comma-separated value sheet, a CSV file, which is just a fancy way of saying a spreadsheet kind of file. And in this case, if I click on that, there's a predetermined template that you need to download. And if you download that file, it'll open up something like what I have here with some names already pre-assigned to it. So in the column A, I would type in the room numbers, room 1, room 2, room 3. And then again in group B, or column B, I would type in the names, the emails of the students that are joining my group. Once I've got this spreadsheet formatted, I can go to File and I can download that as a CSV, comma, separated value sheet. And that will download to my downloads folder. I'll go back to my Schedule a Meeting Zoom tab. And here I want to drag and drop my CSV file. You just have to make sure that you're using the one you edited, not the original one. So I can drag it from my download bar right to there. And I can check to make sure that it's right. It'll show me in room 1, H. Granger at harrypotter.com and J.T. Kirk at startrek.com will be in room 1. Room 2 will have L. Organa at starwars.com and P. Parker at marvel.com. Room 3 will have S. Rogers at marvel.com and H. Potter at harrypotter.com. Once I've done that, I can click Save, and I will save my meeting. And I'll go ahead and click the Record the Meeting Automatically button too. And then when I click Save, my meeting is now saved. From this point, if I want to open up my Zoom application, I can start the meeting from there, and my breakout rooms are already pre-assigned. If students are absent from class, don't join the meeting for whatever, it just means that they won't be put into the breakout rooms. You can later, once the meeting is started, you can play around with shifting the kids from room to room if you find that there's a room that's just not working. But that's how you use the pre-assign tool for breakout rooms in Zoom.